This is the passenger side. This comes up, locks down like that. It's up, something broke. Slide that in my pocket. And over here it looks like, let's see, maybe not that screw, maybe this screw here. Well, you're not coming. This is hopefully it comes right here to the socket. We're going to find out. Say, what you gonna do when I'm gone?
I don't know, Mr. Rice. I don't know.
We're gonna slide the plastic off into here. And this just slides right into place. This is a 2013, right? 2013 Chevy Impala, and it only has one connector, and that's it. Hopefully this goes right there. Just make sure this matches like that. A click, and it's over. This bad boy just slides right into place. That's one of the caps. You got the bullet pointers right here. And all you're gonna do is take and just make sure you fix it the same way here. Yeah. No, whatever cap you got, just take that bulb and replace it. Make sure you don't touch it with your hands. This whole thing slides out. So this comes right out the socket. It's like the one I replaced that. Just slide this one in. You can't mess up, it only goes in one way. Only goes in one way. You put it in the wrong, it's not going to go. Slide it right under the socket. Twist and turn. That's in. I put the cap back on. Brand new cap. Waterproof cap. The other one out. Cap off. Cap off. Get the bulb out of there. Don't touch it with thy hands. Gonna snap it out of the socket here. Got your other socket inside of there. See that groove? There's a groove inside of there. Just gonna slide it on. I said just slide it on. Now don't play with me, James out here. Yo. Oh goodness. Snap, you in, okay. Line it back up with the groove. Twist and turn. And turn. And you in. It's going to slide it back into the slot again. Take the plastic off now. Make sure everything's lined up. Okay. Come on, come on. That looks good on that end. This one lined up over here now. Didn't go nowhere. Look at that. Well, James been making some deals around here. Now you need this plastic. This slides right here. This is kind of old, so James got a piece missing. Yeah. Got two screws. That's just pretty much set right there, and the screw just goes right there. Anyway, here's the harness here. Right here, it's just one harness. You can't mess up. It only goes one way. You can't put it this way, it don't work. Just snap, and the harness is, well, this is not snapping for some reason. Everything looks like it's in place. Nothing's bent. So, let's try it again. But it should have a snapping to it. Okay, I heard just a little, but it's nice and tight. This is the clip you press down to take it back out. You press down on it, take it out, but it's nice and tight, so there you go. Okay. And that just slides back in place there. It's got a guide pin on the end that slides in that hole back there. James, I ain't know where I put that thing. Okay. That's like putting a puzzle together. I'm not facing the wrong way. Face this way, and you're in. You'll find that screw there in my pocket.
See, when I was having this black top,
Mm-hmm.
eBay, you could get them black, or you could get them silver,
Yeah.
like it was.
Uh-huh.
So I'm gonna go all black.
Okay. We got our brand new headlights on from eBay on this 2013 Chevy Impala. Looking good. Okay, James, that's good. What you laughing at?
Everything.
Oh man.